tangy barbecue flavored sloppy joes stirred up with macaroni, cheddar, mozzarella, oven baked. Quick and easy meal idea, ready in 30. Mighty tasty. Try our sloppy mac and cheese. Friends were up for the weekend. We were talking about recipes to make. They had mentioned they had just had some chili mac and cheese. I was thinking, hey, how would I dress up macaroni and cheese? Prepare to be amazed. Ready in under 30 minutes. I'm gonna take a bottle of my barbecue sauce plus some of my Butcher's Blend seasoning, stir up sloppy joes, mix them up with macaroni, and then add 2 favorite cheeses. You heard it here first. Today we're making sloppy mac and cheese. Watch this. Let's start by making the easiest, tastiest sloppy joes ever. Medium pot on stovetop, moderate heat, 1 pound of ground beef. Crumble it in the pot. Pro tip, stir the beef in the pot continuously as it cooks. It'll get all crumbly, which is the goal. It'll look like this. Do us a favor, take a second, pour off all that excess fat, then pot back to stovetop. We're adding 1 white onion, it is diced, plus 3 garlic cloves, finely diced. Stir them in, cover. We're gonna cook for 3 minutes to soften. Now the good part, some serious flavor thanks to 2 of my favorite ingredients. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of our Butcher's Blend spice blend. We're gonna stir it in, cook for 1 minute. Then you're gonna add 1 bottle of Weekend at the Cottage original barbecue sauce. We're gonna stir it in, then cover. You can move it to the side for a minute. So far, super easy, just like I told you. Let's continue. Let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, the pasta. Big pot on stovetop, salted water. We'll bring it to a boil. We're doing classic macaroni, 3 cups. Stir it in. We're cooking for 11 minutes al dente. Do this before straining. Reserve 1 cup of that salted pasta water, then strain your pasta. Now to work surface, big bowl. We're gonna spill the macaroni in. Let's add our flavorful sloppy joes. Then add 1 cup of mozzarella plus 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Now, as you stir it in, you'll see the cheese start to melt, but we can add a little bit of that pasta water to give this dish a beautiful bit of creaminess. I'm starting with a 1/4 cup, stir it in, another 1/4 cup. I've used 1/2 cup total to get that gorgeous creamy texture. We're gonna spill it over to a casserole dish. You can also use a skillet or an oven-safe crock. We're gonna finish by sprinkling the top of the dish with 1 more cup of grated cheddar. Over to the oven it goes. We're baking for 15 minutes. It'll come out of the oven bubbly, gorgeous, melted, cheesy. You know where this is going. Watch me serve. Big spoonfuls of this sloppy mac and cheese onto plates. Do a sprinkle of parsley if you have any on hand. It is really cheesy, very creamy, big flavors, fabulous aromas. We know you're gonna wanna make this now, so we just posted the recipe at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe. Also, while you're there, check out where and how to order our barbecue sauces and spice blends. Amazing. Know what else is amazing? Our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, when mac and cheese is this amazing, take a picture of it. Post it on your favorite socials using hashtag #WeekendAtTheCottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. The wait is over. Try this sloppy mac and cheese. Here's what happens when we mix up 2 of our favorites, sloppy joes and mac and cheese. This is decidedly delicious. Enjoy. Oh, so good. Perfect.